Hi, welcome to Wood Stuff Workshop. I'm David, and welcome to part 2 of the Clarke Table Saw build. I've took the table saw bed off the top, took it off the legs, and this adjustment knob, the ones that you undo to change the saw blade angle, there's one missing completely off the front here. This one was completely missing, so what I've done, I've filed out the bit in there that's a square to take this coach bolt, so that now fits in there nice and snugly there. But now all I've got to do is cut the bolt down. This is just off an old router. So that won't come off now, so I haven't got to worry if it comes loose that the bolt might drop and hit the saw blade while it's running. We can put the end cap on. What I've done, using this old insert that I showed you on the first half where it was all smashed up, I just made a plywood one. What I'm doing is just putting a curve on the bottom of this insert to follow the pressed steel. Where it's been pressed, it don't leave a sharp corner, leave the curve. So I'm just curving the bottom of these so that it'll fit down flush. Right, so now I've curved the bottoms of them, the insert, because there's not a sharp corner in there. Now the insert will go in. And what I've also done is there's a notch on that end that hooks under the end of the bench, but I put a little one on the end of this as well. So, because what I need to do is push it in, and then I've just got to pull it back a bit to hook it under at the back here. So now it's hooked under both the front and the back, and hopefully now I'll be able to get some screws in there. Hopefully I'll be able to line them up. If not, I'll just make the hole a tiny touch bigger if I can't, but that looks like it's going in now. You could see when I brought it back that this outlet was unbelievably blocked up. It had pieces of wood across here that had dropped in, and all the sawdust, and completely blocked all of this up. Because of it being boxed in, this always needs to be clear out, so we're always going to have that problem. But I haven't got the fitting, the plastic outlet fitting. So what I've done is I've just used an adapter that was kicking around, heated it up with a heat gun, pressed it till I got it nice and flat, and then used contact adhesive between the wood and this, and then screwed it on with some screws, and then ground the screws off. So what I'm going to do now, because I know it don't look very pretty, but it'll do the job, and it's nice and solid, so I can, when I'm pulling pipes in and out, it's not going to break off. I'm going to cut this to size now. I've fitted the motor back on after I'd stripped all that down. I've put the shim, this shim in there. I'm hoping it goes at the bottom. I think it does. I think I could tell from the dust. So I put that in, I'll check it all when it's all done. So that's the top piece finished. So here's the legs. As you can see, one of the rails, cross rails here, is all bent all over the place. So I need to take that off and try and straighten it up. If you look at this rail, it looks like it's had some massive trauma. Look at the state of that. So now I've got to try, see if I can figure a way of banging that back something like straight. I've straightened the rails as much as I need to anyway, and so I'm fitting the legs loosely to the base. Then you've got to tip it over, put it on the floor and shake it to level it all out, and then tighten it all up. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, if you can give us a thumbs up, that'd be great. And if you'd like to subscribe, if you hit the logo in the corner, whichever corner it's in, that'd be brilliant. So I'll see you next time. Take care.